Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it's time to do the recap. If you were here this morning, we tried to stream, and one thing that I've kind of overlooked when I was in Florida, the one thing that I took for granted and that I overlooked, and that was my fiber internet speeds. And yeah, this morning Starlink was terrible. I don't know what was going on, but I literally could not stream. And yeah, just my internet was so bad that it was just impossible. It was impossible to stream. So ended up having to cut the stream short. But but we have actually great news. I am so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Um so with the internet issues that we had, I got on the phone, and if you've been listening, following, I've been trying to get fiber internet speeds for probably 5 years. And I try to call into our local fiber internet option. There's a fiber internet option like in the area, but it's not available in where I live. We live a little bit remotely, and every year I make a couple times a year I call and I just plead my case to bring internet, to bring fiber internet out here. And of course, they keep, telling me, "Hey, maybe in the future," but yada yada yada. Basically got the runaround for the last 5 years. So, well, this morning with our internet issues, it reminded me again to give him my yearly call and motivational speech. So I call them, and I I could not believe my ears. We have fiber internet as an option. I still can't believe it. I call in, I basically go through my spiel of, "Hey, I like, is there any internet? I need fiber internet." And the lady on the phone was like, can I have your address?" Which, I gave him my address, fully expecting it. And then she's like, "Well, actually, I have good news. You have fiber internet available in your area up to 1 gigabyte speeds, upload and download." I almost fell out of my chair. I was so excited. And anyway, I was so excited. I actually triple checked. I'm like, "Are you sure?" And she's like, "Yes, I promise. I promise." And so fun fact, it was a funny story. I asked her, I said, I was very curious. I'm like, "I like, can you tell me since when has it been available? Like, how long has fiber been available, or how long has it been an option?" Because I didn't know, and I just figured I would know by now. So she checked, and it wasn't available. The first day that it was available was March 28th, which was last Friday. Literally the day I was traveling back is the first day it was available. And it was just a coincidence that we had internet issues today. Anyway, I'm still blown away. Sorry, this is like this is supposed to be an update for trading, but I'm too excited. I just want to tell you guys about my fiber internet options. Anyway, she literally, this woman, bless her heart, I was so excited and happy. She even told me, she's like, "Man, I want to record this phone call and I want to share it." That's like, as a customer service representative, I seldom get such good news. Like, I seldom hear people being so happy. And I told her I was so excited. Anyway, she calls and they literally came out and installed my fiber internet 2 hours later. Literally an hour ago, the technician for the fiber internet left literally an hour ago, and I am uploading this video with fiber internet. Tomorrow morning, we will be streaming in the highest quality. We're going to stream like it's going to be great, guys. It's going to be amazing. I might stream on Twitch, I might stream on Twitter. I don't know, I might stream in 10 different platforms just because I can. Um, anyway, if you can't tell, I'm so excited about my internet. Um, you have to be a nerd to appreciate how excited I am, but it's the best day ever. Literally the best day ever. It just made my whole year. And okay, enough of the spiel about the internet. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just can't help it. Anyway, now let's talk about trading. That first 5 minutes, if you're not into internet speeds, you've probably had gigabyte internet speeds for 2 years or 10 years. I'm sorry, I just can't contain my excitement. Okay, my trading. As you can see, we had a decent day of trading if we just ignore this one red number. Like, if we could just ignore that, that'd be great. If I don't even have to talk about it, that'd be great. We had a really good day on the Tradefy accounts. Let's go. We had a really good day on these 9 Apex accounts, which I need one more traded day on the 150Ks, and then I will be able to request a payout again. Yay. Um, then on the take profit accounts, a little bit of an update. Actually, you know what? Let's just go over this big red ugly number. Let's just get it out of the way. Nothing is going to put me in a bad mood today, by the way. Nothing will put me in a bad mood. But yeah, I messed up in the overnight session, and I paid the price. I was obviously this is the account that I was trading minis because I accidentally traded this one account paired with some evals, so I had a huge profit day of $2,000, and I was trading minis on that. So I just decided I'm going to keep trading minis. And one thing I discovered about myself is my brain. My brain is not ready to trade minis with this kind of market. And as I was telling Stream today, is when I'm trading micros, like taking a $200 to $300 loss doesn't bother me. Like I'm okay. I'm okay taking a loss of $200-300. Doesn't bother me. But when I'm taking a $1,200 to $1,500 loss, which doesn't take much trading two minis, I'm just not quite ready for that. Like, I just had a really difficult time accepting that loss in the overnight session. And I kept trying to make back the loss. And I know not to do it, but I did it anyway. And yeah, basically, I just traded terribly. I got stopped out and then I re entered, and then the market went exactly where I was wanting it to go in the beginning. I just got chopped around, and we had some pretty massive moves in the overnight session. And then I think it was this move right here. This is the final move that got me. I went long right here, and it dumped on me. I DCA'd somewhere here, and somewhere down here, I got liquidated the full $11,000. So it is what it is. It is what it is. All we're going to talk. We're not going to talk about it any more than that. Nothing needs to be discussed. Thankfully, I still have my 5 remaining 150K accounts, so it's all good, and we can request a payout hopefully tomorrow, end of day tomorrow. But this little binge session, it did put me a little bit on tilt. And full disclosure, I ended up also blowing one of my take profit trader accounts, and ended up resetting the account and running it up. This is basically $1,700 in profit. This $2,000 in profit was my fresh account that I passed last week. So we basically, I would like to get this tomorrow. My main focus is going to be to get this take profit trader account to $2,000 in profit. Once we do that, then I'm going to copy trade all 4 of these 50K accounts. I'm going to trade 2 to 4 micros. Goal is to make $200 a day and just slow and steady payouts. Also, on the chat trading account, congratulations. we took our first payout on the chat trading account. Requested live on stream this morning. I don't know if you can even rewatch it because the stream was so bad and laggy. But we did request $525 this morning. It's still not approved, so hopefully by tomorrow morning it'll be approved and the money will be taken out of the account and then we can trade that again. But yeah, that basically sums up my day, and the big headline is we have internet. We have fiber internet, baby. Let's go. Leave a comment down below. Just give me a smiley face for the fiber internet. I want you guys, I need everybody to be excited, as excited as I am. I know it's kind of crazy, but whew, I've been wanting fiber internet I've been wanting fiber internet for 10 years probably. Anyway, I'll stop now. I'll stop. All right, everybody. Thanks. I hope you guys all had a great day. Hope you guys all stayed green. I hope to see you in the morning, and we're going to have the smoothest, the bestest, the greatest stream quality on the whole internet. Stay tuned. All right, I'm out. Take care, and God bless.